We have two different cases here.
Yes.
Calling case 242448 SM and case 241388 SM, people of the state of Michigan versus Eric Joseph Martin. Mr. Darren, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Nicholas Darren on behalf of Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin, if you could turn your video on and state your name for the record, please. We can hear you. Your video is just not working.
Let's press the start.
There you go. If you could state your name for the record, please.
Well, I'm not the legal fiction defendant. I'll tell you that for one. And I'm a living man, one of the sovereign people, beneficiary, Mr. Con.
All right. Thank you for your appearance.
This right here is a textbook sovereign citizen introduction. Eric Martin immediately separates himself from his legal identity, saying he's not the legal fiction, but a living man. It's part of a fringe belief system where people think they can opt out of the court's authority by redefining legal terms. Judges hear this kind of talk almost daily, and it never works. But what's fascinating here is how calm the judge stays. No arguing. No debating philosophy. Just a quiet. Thank you for your appearance. That subtle professionalism undercuts the whole Sovereign Act.
Mr. Martin. All right. And today's date and time set for a settlement conference. Mr. Darren, you had the opportunity to speak with the prosecutor. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. The case as to his brother, Mr. Kurt Martin, which is the one I have been appointed to, is going to be dismissed. I don't have an objection to that.
All ready? Any objection? No? Okay, so case dismissed.
The judge dismisses the first case, and notice Eric's tone immediately changes. Suddenly polite, almost thankful. This shows something about courtroom psychology. Even the most defiant defendants still crave acknowledgement from the system they claim doesn't exist. It's ironic, he denies the authority, but still wants validation from it.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Your Honor, just one brief question for my accounting of this. I need to get a register of actions. Is there a specific way to get it through the court, or is it the easiest just to go onto the online database to print it off?
Probably, I mean, the quickest is probably going to go to just an online database and print it off.
All right. If I have an issue, I'll reach out to your clerk.
Sure, yeah. Call my criminal clerk and if you have any issues.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. You guys have a great day.
You do the same. Then let's see. With regard to case 241388 SM, you do have House counsel on that one. And did you speak with the House counsel yet?
No, I didn't speak with no House counsel, but
all right, I'm going to put you into the breakout room so the attorney can come on in there. It'd be House counsel.
right, I'm not even
In the waiting room for right now. Mr. Fanto, which case do you have ready?
Judge, I'm waiting on the prosecutor. I have Mr. Martin on one of his cases, 1 o'clock settlement conference. As far as I can tell, the victim has not appeared.
All right, have you talked with Ms.
Now, watch how confusion creeps in. The judge tells him he'll be sent to a breakout room with House counsel. And Eric's response, "I'm not even in the waiting room," captures that familiar sovereign citizen mix of defiance and disorientation. They often struggle with procedural basics because they reject the system's rules, and that creates a strange cycle. Defy the process, get lost in it, then claim injustice.
Find her.
Have you talked with Ms. Sobe?
I have twice, and she was going to check to see if the complainant was in the building, and now I can't even find Miss Soap on Zoom.
I just asked her to come to the main session. Ms. Sobe?
Hello?
Ms. Sobe?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. On the Eric Martin matter, is the victim here? Is she ready to go?
The sister, she is not. I've tried to make contact with her. She's not answering the phone. Victim advocate tried to contact her, did not respond. Notice was sent to her to be present. This was a settlement conference with complaining witness to appear. If she's not here, I cannot move forward.
All right, let me get Mr. Martin in the main session. Mr. Fanto.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jeffrey Fanto on behalf of Mr. Martin. Day's time and date set for settlement conference. Mr. Martin is present, as Ms. Sobes indicated. Complainant is not, and they've had no contact. I would move to dismiss this matter. It is scheduled for trial on the 28th.
And Ms. Sobe, you've done everything you could to have this,
I
to have the victim here today?
I have, Your Honor.
All right, motion to dismiss granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thanks, Ms. Sobes. Mr. Martin, you're all set. Thank you, Judge.
This ending is quietly satisfying. The judge confirms that the victim didn't show up, and both of Eric's cases are dismissed. No shouting, no meltdown, no contempt charge. In a twist of fate, the man who spent the hearing rejecting the system walks away free because of that very system's due process. That's the ultimate irony here. The law protects even those who don't believe in it.